To hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A05, first we'll need to make sure that it's powered off. So I'm just going to power it off with the quick access button. After your phone is fully off, we need to press on the power button right here and volume up button at the same time, and keep holding them until you can see the Samsung logo. So there's Galaxy also. We can let go of those two buttons. And now we're inside the recovery mode. What we can do here is scroll down with the volume down button, and we can stop on wipe data factory reset. Now you can confirm it with the power button, scroll down again, and click on the power button again. And after you click on it, you'll be able to factory reset your device, and also that's a hard reset. Also, when the process is done, you'll be probably still in this recovery mode. You can leave it by clicking on Reboot System Now. After that, you will see the first setup screen, and that's our hard reset done.